They are the market leaders when they started doing the laminating with the foil. That was a game changer for everybody. We started with Vivid 13 years ago. It's great that we can control what we produce and when we produce it. Since we've gone with Vivid, life's a lot easier. It's not as stressful. We do have the control. If clients want something, we can move our production, we can do whatever we need to do to satisfy clients' needs. We purchased the VeloBlade Nexus. We went for a couple of demos and we just thought, great, perfect for what we wanted it to do. And it was good value compared to the other machines that we looked at. I am personally over the moon with the products we've got. We've started doing things that we never thought we could do. We're supplying customers where we never thought we could get in the door with them. We're happy with the service, the machines, the quality, everything. We get looked after, and that's all you ask for in this current climate. We've never had any issues. I would easily recommend Vivid